What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be opening the What If Marvel Collector Core subscription box. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we finally got this box in. Finally. So this box is the What If box right here. It's the Marvel Collector Core box. More like, what if this box arrived on time, right? Or what if the damage was none? What if Funko's quality control was superb? Nah, I kid. But no, really. Can't wait to see what's inside. Spoiler alert, I already know what's inside. Like I said, this box was supposed to come out long ago. It arrived super late, like a month and a half late. So I've already been spoiled to the contents inside of the box, so let's just open it and show you what's inside. You've probably already seen it a million times already, but so first up, looks like we have a Captain Marvel pin, right? Or Captain Carter, something, another. A pin. That's the point. It's a pin. Alright, so we have the t-shirt. We will actually be trying that on in a few minutes, but let's see what else is inside. Looks like we have another decal this month. Pretty cool. I really like that. I did miss out on the box lunch exclusive. Hopefully it restocks. I'm not thinking it's going to restock, but hopefully it gets a restock. I really want that metallic version. Alright, what is this book? Okay, so it basically tells you what's inside the box. I'm not going to do mystery style because I already know what's in the box. It's already been spoiled for me, so not going to go that route and do the mystery style, even though her head's like kind of like leaning up. Anyways, this is the next one that's going to be late. Shang-Chi. I have not yet seen the movie. I think it is on Disney Plus, but I have not checked it out just yet. I've got a lot of TV shows, a lot of movies that I'm currently in the middle of, so once I get done with some of those TV shows, I will get a chance to watch. I haven't even watched the Loki series yet. That tells you how backed up of TV shows and movies I am in. Let's just go ahead and dump out the pops, because that's what we want to see. So the first one up is the Collector. Pretty freaking cool. Yeah, this guy is the Collector. I am a collector, as you can tell. Got lots of stuffs. So there he is right there. Bam. Alright, so there's that guy right there. There's a little up close shot of this dude. Pretty freaking cool. I believe that's how I would dress if I was in his position, I guess. I don't know. But there he is right there. You can see the back of the outfit. Pretty cool. Really freaking sweet. I really like that pop. I like the pops with the base stands. Those just do more for me, I guess. I don't know. Like the Bakugo and some of the other My Heroes, they have that like base thing. I know this one doesn't have a full base, but it's kind of basey. You can see that right there. Pretty cool. The Collector, really freaking sweet. Yeah. The next and final pop in this box is the post-apocalyptic Black Widow, and as you can see, she's leaning forward, trying to take on the day, I guess. I'm not sure. The side, back, basically the same thing. Pretty cool. And there she is right there. Really freaking sweet. I like the detail on this. I'm not sure about the paint app. I think the paint app is okay. It's doable. But there it is. I like how it makes her look like she's dirty a little bit. I have not seen the series of What If either, so I'm kind of in the dark with everything that's going on here. I have read a few of the What If comics. What if Peter Parker became the Punisher? The whole thing with Uncle Ben and all that stuff. How that would have played out. It's a really good read. I think it came out in like 2018, I believe. So yeah, I like that. I hope they do something with that comic into the show. But there it is right there. Really freaking sweet. Yeah. She's kind of like flimsy. Like I was holding her legs right there, and you can just feel like it's like a really, I don't even know if she stands. No, she does not stand. Does it come with a stand? Yes, it comes with a stand, so we're good on that regards. But there we have it right there, Black Widow, and we have the collector Black Widow, Black Widow. Pretty cool. I like them. They look pretty freaking sweet. Probably like this one more because I don't know, it just looks cool. That must mean it is t-shirt time. There we have it right there, the t-shirt, the Marvel Collector Core for July. Really freaking sweet. It is size large, so I'm gonna head, without further ado, let's go ahead and look at it. I really like that print. I wasn't really sold on the brown t-shirt, but after looking at it further, I like it. I still like it. I mean, a lot of people don't like the brown shirt, but I do. I really like it. So, you know what time it is? We gotta try this shirt on. So, in 3, 2, 1, bam! There it is right there. Join us now. Victory. Pretty cool shirt. I really like it. Oh yeah. I kind of get why people don't like the brown shirt, because they don't really go with too many things, like maybe khaki. It goes with khaki, so I wear a lot of khaki, like khaki shorts, khaki cargos, regular khakis, but like I'm wearing basketball shorts right now and they're red and black, so I don't really see it going too well with the red and black theme. But if you wear a lot of khaki like I do, I guess it would be great because it's kind of on the same color scheme. I don't know, but I really like the shirt. It's pretty freaking cool. I like this whole box. The collector and Black Widow, I think I like the collector a little bit more. It just looks more cooler. I don't know what else to say, but it looks more cooler. So yeah, that is it. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you flock of collectors in the next one.